So guys, yes, today is 29th of April and the time is almost 9:14 now. So let's see how the pre-open market has opened. So going to the pre-open market page, here you can see the Nifty 50 is opening at 17,329.25. Advanced stocks are 42, declines are only 7, and unchanged is 1 stock. And now let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap up section, that is Bajaj Financing with 1.79% up and Reliance with 1.29% up. And coming to the stock which is opening in the most gap down section, that is Axis Bank with 1.90% down and Bajaj Auto with 0.77% down. So yes, these are the pre-open market as open today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel will be amazing. So you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel. And also I do upload the daily live trade what I do. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join my courses now. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. To provide NSE and MCX trading course, the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So I guess right now I've decided to buy Kotak Bank in the market level. So let's see how the stock will perform. We are just buying it now around 1781 and we'll see how the stock will perform. So guys, yes, we have bought the Kotak Bank around 1781 now. So as you guys can see, the market is at a very positive level. So the market is going 0.54% up now. So let's see how the market will perform. If the market continues to go up like this, and also we are in a buy side, so I'll continue to hold for a bit long time. So we'll see how it will perform. Okay. So there is a good support in Kotak Bank around 1780 and all. So I think there is a good support in this stock now, and it has already taken a good support in the morning itself, and it has come up and it has already made a high of almost 1785 somewhere around there. So it suddenly came back to 1780 level, so that's why I started to buy it there. And now let's see how the stock will perform. So we have bought it around 1781, which is a good level, and now we are hoping the stock will come up soon. So even if it will take some time, it will hit the target. So it's a buy side today, so we'll see. And also you can see at the top left, the market is continuously going up. It's 0.60% up, almost close to 0.60% up. So 1783 now, if you guys can see. So yes, the moment will be a bit quicker here. As you can see, the stock price is also higher, so that's why. So let's see how the volume will come. So it's giving a breakout now around 1785. So if the 1785 breakout happens, then we can expect some of a fast moment to happen in this stock. Okay, so anyways guys, let's wait. Now the stock is going to give a breakout near 1785, but you can see little of a resistance there. It is pushing back down. So guys, 1785 now. So let's see. So this is a one day candle chart, and you can see how it has been taking a support in the same level here. And let me put it to 15 minutes candle chart. So yes, okay. Okay, now let's see in a 1 minute candle chart and see how the movement will be. Okay, so it is in a good support level. 1780 and 1785 is a good support level for the Kotak Bank, if you guys can see here. So 1786, so just waiting for a little push to happen so that it will reach 1790 somewhere around there. Okay, so I should take my exit there around 1790 somewhere. Okay, so yes, planning to take like 8 to 9 points or 10 points target today, because the market is also bullish and the stock is also going in a bullish way. So that's why I decided to hold it for a bit longer time. So we'll see how it will perform. So 1785 again, so you can see it's not quickly going up, so it is taking some time. And let's see what will happen in Kotak Bank now. 1785 again, so we are back to 1785 levels. So it did made a high of 1786.50 now. So let's see when that high will break. We will get more movement again, so I'll just wait for it. So guys, yes, it's making a new high now. 1787, 1788 close to. So you can see the movement is now a bit faster. So now I guess we will get a new high, and I'll take my exit now. So 1788, yes, it is going up now. So the movement is pretty quick. So let's see if it can touch 1790, or I shall take my exit now itself. So let's wait. 1788, 1788.50 is a new high made. So let's see if it can go to one. Yes, 1789. So guys, yes, if you guys can see, 1790 is almost touching. Yes, 1790. So guys, yes, bought it around 1781. As you guys can see, the stock went all the way up till 1791. So yes, it went all the way up till 10 points, and you can see how bullish the movement was. Yes, I held it because the market was, according to the buy direction, the market was also going up, and I was in a buy side, so that's why I held it. And I took my exit around 9 to 9.5 point. Okay, I just exited in the market level. So this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Kotak Bank. So yes, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading and want to learn all the working techniques and strategies in intraday trading, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today in intraday trading. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading. So you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.